How to clear all the watched videos history on Facebook. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to clear all the watched videos history on Facebook but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device or manually find the very Facebook application on your mobile device by scrolling left or right. After you find the very Facebook application, you have to tap on that. And after you tap on that, Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the three lines on the top and then you have to just go to the option of the settings and privacy. After you tap on the option of the settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of settings. After you tap on the option of the settings, now you can see an interface like this. You have to just scroll down until you find the very option of activity log. After you find the option of activity log, you have to tap on that. After you tap on the option of the activity log, you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the option of the logged information. After you tap on the option of the logged information, now it will take you to the next option like this. Now, in the search icon, it will show the history of your searches on the Facebook. In the location, it will show the very location, and in the privacy, it will show you privacy checkup. So you have to tap on the option of the manage search. After you tap on the option of the manage search, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on the option of the filters and then tap on the option of categories. After that, you have to go to the option of the videos you have searched for. After that, you can see the various kind of videos you have searched for. If you do not find any of the videos, that's because if you have not searched any of the videos, it won't show there. If you have searched any of the videos, it will show you the list of the videos there. You can go to the option of just cutting it out there. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just go to the option of manage search once again like this, and you have to go to the three dots on the top down there, sir. And after you tap on the three dots, you have to go to the option of delete like this, and the very option will be deleted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.